Now, U.S. President Donald Trump has sharply criticized a foreign ambassador over a bunch of leaked diplomatic cables. Trump didn't hold back after Britain's envoy described the U.S. administration in a damning way, leading Trump to say he will no longer deal with that ambassador. Meanwhile, UK says it fully supports its ambassador. For more on this and other news from around the world, we go over to Hong Yoo. Hong Yoo, this is a big deal because the U.S. and the UK are known for their special relationship, so this must be very embarrassing for the UK.
Well, Connyoung, when diplomatic cables sent from the UK ambassador to the US, Kim Darroch, back to London were leaked to and published by a Sunday newspaper, President Trump said he no longer wants anything to do with Darroch. The confidential memos branded Trump's administration as dysfunctional and inept, and it was leaked at a sensitive time when Britain is trying to negotiate a major trade deal with the US. In a barrage of tweets, Trump also criticized British Prime Minister Theresa May for her handling of Brexit, heading into it without taking his advice. He wrote that May and her representatives have created a mess. Yet May has full faith in the UK ambassador, according to her spokesperson. May defended the ambassador, saying it's his job to provide honest and unvarnished opinions. But she says she does not agree with the assessment of the Trump administration that was made by the ambassador. British Foreign Secretary Jeremy Hunt, one of the potential candidates to become the next prime minister by the end of the month, also said he does not share the ambassador's assessment, but defended his rights to make such frank comments in private. British Trade Minister Liam Fox, who is due to meet with Trump's daughter Ivanka during his upcoming visit to Washington, will apologize for what he called malicious leaks that could damage their diplomatic relationship. The UK has launched an investigation to determine who was behind the leak.